Hey, what's going on? This is Asa coming to you with a warning. And I warn you to be careful who you listen to. There are people out here that are giving some terrible advice. So I want you to be careful who you listen to. I want to share my screen and play this video real quick so I can share with you what I'm talking about.
Make a lot more on it, and
everybody knows who this is, or you may or may not, but this guy here, Dave Ramsey, give a lot of financial information, and he is very strongly against cash value life insurance. And I want you to hear what he said. You have to be careful when you are listening to general information from a very specific question, because that specific question requires additional questions for clarification. So let's look at this video.
And they don't keep it when you die. If you got the money invested in mutual funds or something, they don't keep it when you die. When it's invested in a whole life policy, you die, they keep your money.
Right, so, and I've asked Mike.
He said when they die, they keep your money. What are you talking about, Dave? Let's listen a little more.
Dad, and he says, "No, we give you everything plus what's over." So
no, they don't give you the cash value plus the face value. They give you the face value. That's it. Period.
So this is a situation of not really knowing what the heck you're talking about. If somebody's calling in asking a very specific question about their personal situation, you have to ask other questions so that you can get clear on what's going on in order to provide the correct information. Be careful who you listen to, because when you're dealing with cash value life insurance, there are two options. Option A, which is a level death benefit, and option B, which is an increasing death benefit. Each option has specific reasons for it. And if you look at other videos, I explain the difference between option A and option B. But when you have a trusted source providing inappropriate information, you must really be careful who you listen to and do your research. This is Asa. If you like this information, if it raised an eyebrow or you have any questions, please send a comment so that we can talk about it in an open forum. Go ahead and like, subscribe for more information. Talk to you soon.